Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Dana. I primarily make hair and beauty videos. Today I am back doing another product review. I'm going to be reviewing the Shea Moisture Head in the Clouds range. So we have the shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, as well as a volume spray that I will be giving my thoughts on. Quick note, if you have never seen this line before, the shampoo and conditioner are both foam. The conditioner really got me on this one because a foam shampoo, I could see it's like foam hand soap or, like whatever. It makes a little bit more sense. I was laughing as I was picking this up and buying it because I'm like, this is just going to make my hair so dry. So the key ingredients in this line are coconut water, prickly pear, and blue agave. So the coconut water is rich in minerals, which is supposed to help nourish your scalp. The blue agave is supposed to help with moisture retention, and the prickly pear is like a superfood that also is supposed to help with hydration. The fact that these were claiming to be hydrating and volumizing is kind of interesting because you don't usually find both traits in one product. Is kind of like a mutually exclusive thing. So let's start off with the shampoo. And like I said, the foam definitely made more sense in a shampoo form because it's a cleanser and it's supposed to lather and everything. And so I had slightly higher hopes for this product, but I was surprised because this actually delivers a decent amount of hydration. The only thing about the shampoo that is slightly annoying, if you will, is that you need a ton of product to get this to lather up. And you also need to cleanse twice. The first cleanse that I do, the product just kind of like disappears into my scalp. So it's not really doing the greatest job, I think, of breaking up like that dirt and oil and like whatever else is like in my scalp. I'll put about 4 pumps in my hand, lather. The product just kind of gets sucked up. I'll take a little bit more, lather, it's still getting sucked up. I add a bit more water to it. It starts to lather a little bit more. But if I do rinse the product out and do a double cleanse, it actually lathers up really nicely and it gives my hair a nice clean feeling without feeling stripped. Also, this smells really good, as does the entire line. The coconut in here is not like the typical coconut. It's not overwhelmingly like beachy smelling. It's just a very light, nice scent. I don't even know how to explain it. Let's move on to the conditioner. The really interesting thing about this is that I don't feel much of a difference in moisture level between the shampoo and conditioner. Now you would think a conditioner is supposed to be more hydrating, but I'd say that the level of hydration is pretty straight across the board with the shampoo and conditioner, and it probably shouldn't be that way. That's not to say that the conditioner is drying because I just said the shampoo is pretty hydrating. There's something weird about applying a foam to your hair and it being a conditioner. I feel like it's just very watery, but again, I don't really know what I was expecting with a foam conditioner. That being said, this will not weigh down your hair, but you also do need a lot of product with this as well. I'd say that's probably the biggest con of these two products, is that you need to use so much of them. Also, the conditioner pump no longer works on my bottle, so I actually have to switch out the shampoo pump every time I want to use the conditioner, which is a real pain in the ass, honestly. And I actually looked online to see if anyone else had issues with the pump, and basically everyone said that their conditioner pump stopped working. So I'm thinking there must be something in the conditioner that is kind of clogging up the pump a bit. Of these two products, I would most likely repurchase the shampoo. Conditioner, probably not. So now we're gonna move on to the deep conditioner, and this is probably my favorite product from this line. I have a small packet, and you'll see that in the clips that I'll show, but I am going to pick up the full size of this mask. This is definitely my favorite Shea Moisture deep conditioner, and it's also probably one of my newer favorite deep conditioners in general. It is very creamy and hydrating, but it doesn't feel like typically heavy as the other Shea Moisture deep conditioners do. A lot of their deep conditioners contain like shea butter and like cocoa butter and just like heavier ingredients. This is very creamy and light, but it's super hydrating. It gives my hair great slip, so it makes it very easy to detangle. It smells amazing. It's moisturizing. I just absolutely love the deep conditioner, so I would 100% repurchase that, and I am going to pick up the full size, as I said. There's really not much else to say about the deep conditioner. It's really good. You should try it. And then the last product of the line is the Pump Me Up Volumizing Spray, and I think I've talked about this before either in another video or on Instagram. I can't remember exactly. But this is a very lightweight product and it's good for natural volume. And when I say that, I mean like it's not going to give you the volume that a hairspray or like a powder, like, you know, like those like gritty powders, like it's not going to give you volume like that, but it's just going to add like a little bit of extra oomph to your hair. And I really love to use this by spraying this on a pick or a comb and just kind of like going in at the crown of my head for more volume. I also will spray this, like I can show you right now. I'll spray it like through my ends. Ow, got that in my eye. You really just need a few sprays. Anything more than that, you are gonna make your hair feel a little bit sticky. There's that like sweet spot where it's like a few sprays and it moisturizes your hair, it refreshes, it makes it smell good, and it also gives it a bit more volume. So you just have to like be a bit careful, especially on dry hair. If you spray this on wet hair, you can like spray this at the roots, just to give like a little bit of a root boost. So if you're not into like texture sprays and hair sprays that you clearly feel on your hair, you might like this. Just know it's not going to give you over the top volume. It's just like kind of like a little pick me up, pump me up, pick me up. There you go. I'm kind of on the fence as to whether or not I would repurchase this. It's not because I don't like it. I do. I think it's a nice product. I just think it's kind of like a bit specific. I have other texturizing sprays that I really like, mainly the Way texture spray. That's really nice. It's a bit heavier feeling on the hair though. I do really like this for its lightweight abilities. I also like the fact that I can use this to refresh my hair on day 2. So I have like other refreshing sprays that I like, and I have other texturizing sprays that I like. So I don't know if I would necessarily repurchase this. Overall, I think that this line best serves someone with normal hair, so meaning that it's not incredibly damaged or dry. If you have fine hair like I do, like I have fine hair, but I just have a lot of it, I think that you may like this line, and it's probably worth checking out. If your hair is very coarse in texture, if it is very dry, damaged, brittle, I don't think that this is going to cut it for you. I just think it's interesting how Shea Moisture kind of markets this as like a very nourishing line. I mean, it doesn't leave my hair dry at all. It actually leaves it like hydrated, but in a way that it doesn't feel like there's any products on my hair. But I think that if you are transitioning, like if you have very damaged hair, you have very dry hair, I just don't think that the particular foam shampoo and conditioner are going to work for you. I would say check out the deep conditioner, but I think that there are probably products that will better serve your hair needs. Okay guys, so that is going to wrap up this review. I would love to know if you have tried out this line and your thoughts on it. So that is all I have to say. Those are all of my ramblings for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you can give it a thumbs down. That's fine too. It lets me know what you want to see more of and what you want to see less of. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will talk to you next time.